Hello everybody. Today is a wonderful Saturday. We're here in the Culver City store. Is it Saturday? Yeah, it's Saturday. So I just wanted to get on here for a moment. We've been getting a lot of DMs about different things. So I figured I'd just get on here. We do have installation appointments available next week. We are having our bundled hair sale. So right now I have a lace closure and 3.5 bundles of the Indian wavy. I'm doing great. How are you doing? I am Sunday E. All of our bundles right now are $50 off. That's online and in store. So if you come into our Culver City store, you can hand select your bundles right here. These are all wefted bundles here. Sorry, my boob's in the way. We do also have our wigs on all of this wall here. And then we have a second wall of wigs and extensions here. So come on by our Culver City store. We're open here Monday through Friday from 10 to 7 p.m. And then we're open from Saturday, which is today, we're open 11 to 6. And our current sale is $50 off all bundles. So yeah, I'm Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company. Let me know what questions you guys have. We're a custom wig boutique, so we make full lace, front lace, and 360 lace wigs. We also have awesome wefted hair. It's Indian raw wefted hair. I know it's kind of hard to find that nowadays. Most companies sell Brazilian hair and processed hair, but we do still have raw Indian hair. That's this beautiful hair I have here. We do custom coloring in store. And we also do installation appointments. So whether you need a sew-in or if you want a wig installed, we can do that for you right here in our Culver City store. Here is where we do our installations right here. Our installation special is just $175. I've been in business for a little over 10 years now. I've had this store here in Culver City for, it will be 6 years coming this January. Praise God. I'm here by the grace of God. So come on in. $50 off bundles right now. You know we have the best raw Indian hair around. We really do have the best Indian hair. So definitely shop our sale on our website, magichaircompany.com, or come into our Culver City store to hand pick your bundles. We also have these beautiful wigs available, and we can custom color anything. We do repairs. We do maintenance, so we can wash and condition your wigs. We also have our own hair care product line. We'll be offering lashes starting October 1st. Book your lash extension appointment. We'll be doing lashes right here in store. We're going to be doing classic, volume, and hybrid lashes, mink. And what else? What other questions do you guys have for me today? I feel like we were getting a lot of questions in the DMs today, so I figured I should just get on and do a live. But yeah, so we have extensions. We will be doing lashes. We do color. We do installation. We're located here in Culver City. Maybe I can flat iron my hair a little. But yeah, so I've been here in this Culver City store for almost 6 years now. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me while I'm on today. We're closed on Sunday. We're open by appointment only on Sunday. So if you need something, try to get it Monday through Saturday. But if you ask nicely, I will open up on Sunday just for you. Just here drinking my water. Water's good for you. I need to order a gallon size water bottle. I'm trying out this new lip gloss. It's from Glossier. It's like you click it and then the lip gloss comes on the thing. I guess I like it. It's different. So I have in 3.5 bundles of my Indian hair and a lace closure. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What can I help you with today?
Hi, is Tatiana here?
She'll be right back. You're her cousin? Her friend? She oh, perfect. She just walked right down to the corner and she'll be right back in a couple minutes. So you can either stay in here if you want or just whatever.
I'll wait in my car.
Okay.
Thank you.
So yeah, yesterday was Tati's birthday, everybody. So was it yesterday? 2 days ago, on the 12th, it was Tati's birthday. So if you know Tati, go ahead and write her happy birthday. Does anybody have any fun plans for the weekend? Yesterday, I went swimming. I took the day off and went to the pool. We did do this custom coloring here in store. I'm just kind of knocking the kinks out. Really hope I don't burn myself on the live. That's how I got this burn here from wand curling and so I really hate curling my own hair. But we're open until 6 today. And yeah, $50 off bundles. We'll probably have that sale going on at least for another week or until we run out. That sale is only on bundles that I have in stock. So that way you can get your bundles shipped out immediately. There's a 1 to 2 day processing time. Yeah, so there's a 1 to 2 day processing time, but that sale is only on bundles that we have in stock. So these beautiful textures you see behind me, or we actually have a lot more here than that. That's just all that I have out displayed. So we have our Filipino straight, our Indian straight, our Indian wavy, our Indian deep body wave, Indian curly. We have our kinky curly. We have some clearance bundles, so we still have some Indian wavy gray. And then we also have some yaki bundles. So thank you everybody for watching. This is 3.5 bundles of Indian straight. And yeah, so I just wanted to get on today and kind of talk to you guys for a little bit, but that's really it. I didn't really have much to talk about. Yeah, so check out our sale here at Magic Hair Company. Our bundles are $50 off right now. I need tips on business if you don't mind. Sure, what can I help you with? Let me know what you need help with. I've been in business for 10 years. I've had this retail store for 6. So ask me a question, I'll give you an answer. This curly unit behind you though, this one right here, this is unit 375, which is a 24-inch curly. Let me bring it down for you. Wait, which one? Do you want to see this one? Or do you want to see this one? This is curly. This one's deep body wave. This one's kinky curly. I'll bring this one down. I just opened up a store front in July. When do I start profiting? It depends on the kind of business that you have. I watch your page all the time. You're so inspiring. DM me and then I'll give you some real business consulting because I love to help other people with their business, especially if you open a retail business. It's a whole nother beast in its own. And I would love to be there to support you through the journey. So DM me so we can have a real conversation on how to grow or figure some things out in your business. How do I find a hair vendor? I have hair vendor lists for sale. So this right here is a 24-inch curly. Finding a hair vendor is very hard. So fortunately for me, this is unit number 375. It's a 24-inch full lace curly. Her price is $13.50. Fortunately for me, I've used my same vendors for over 6 years now. This is the curly full lace. And actually in my store, I have vendors stop in and ask me if I want their product. A lot of times I tell them you're not ready to sell your product in the US, but this is what you can do. They sign up for consulting with me. I'm showing you guys the full lace part here. They sign up for consulting with me. I get their hair in a better place, work on the processing and things like that with them. And I make vendors available that way. So I personally know my vendors. If you're looking for a vendor list right now, also send me a DM. I do have hair vendors for sale because I work with so many Chinese and Indian vendors that come into my store and show me their hair, so I know what type of hair they have. Vendors are literally everywhere. You just gotta test hair, and that's the hardest part. Exactly. So that's exactly why I have the vendor list for sale, because you know, you can spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars testing different vendors. They're all going to tell you they're the best. They're all going to tell you that they've been in business for the longest, the 100 years. But that's not true. So you can spend hundreds or thousands on testing different hair vendors, or you can buy a reputable vendor list, which is what I have. Obviously my vendors are reputable because I have a reputable business. I've had this store here in Culver City for 6 years now, and I've been in business for almost 10. So when I have a vendor list for sale, I'm putting my name on the line to help somebody grow their business. So if you're seriously looking for a vendor list, then go ahead and DM me. If you are looking for business consulting on how to grow your either beauty business or hair business, DM me. I can help you with that also. So yeah, I just flat ironed this out a little bit. Is this still on? Let me do this piece right here in the front. I have used my vendor's hair. I don't recommend anybody that I haven't actually ever used their hair before. So in the process of us improving their hair, I always test their hair. And most people that come in my store will leave me with some hair. So that's how I know this is what's wrong with your hair. I don't recommend anything I haven't actually tested. That's okay. But yeah, stop buying vendor lists from people who have never seen or met or talked to their vendors. I think that's crazy that there's so many people selling vendor lists that don't have a hair store, don't have a hair company, but you're selling vendor lists. Also, just by buying a vendor list doesn't mean you will have a successful hair company. But I can help you as much as I can. Half the time I don't even charge for my consulting. I'm just here for you to ask questions to and help you get through things and city processes and license and marketing and things like that. So reach out to me if I can help you guys in any way. I'm here. I want to see everybody win, and no need to struggle alone if you know somebody who's doing what you're trying to do. So I'm here to help any way that I can. Always reach out to me and ask me a question, whether it's on live or a DM, or you can email me at Janiece, JANIECE @magichaircompany.com, and I will directly email you back. So that's it for today, everybody. We're having our $50 off bundle sale. I will eventually get these vendor lists for sale. I have small business consulting for big beauty brands. The store's open Monday through Friday from 10 to 7. Saturdays 11 to 6. Check me out online, magichaircompany.com. Yeah, let me know how I can help you guys. DM me, email me, give us a call, stop by the store. Oh, we're going to start offering lashes starting the 1st of October. So book your lash appointments with us here at Magic Hair Company. Shop with us if you want the best, and forget the rest. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.